So this is how you rekey a new door. Turn it 90 degrees. You put the rekey in it, and you pull both out. Now you put the new key in it, and they should work fine.
Rekeying a door involves changing the lock cylinder so that it works with a new key.
Same thing for this one at the bottom. You turn it 90 degrees. You stick the key, little key underneath it, then you pull it. Now you have one key for both. So this key will actually go here. As you can see, it locks it, okay? And now we go to this one. This is the original key for this door handle. There it is. So now the bottom, as you can see, the lock, the loop. There you go. So now this one is going to be for both. And that's it. That's all there is for door knobs.